there guys, Drikkers here. Welcome to Kombuistaal. Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you so much for the support in 2023. We're really excited about 2024, but not as excited about these guys. These are amazing organic Oxheart tomatoes. They're grown on Farmlot 187 just outside of George. We only get these guys sort of for 2-3 months of the year. They are extremely delicious, and tomatoes for me is something that's really undervalued, I think, especially if you get really special tomatoes like this. We've got to pre-order them. The order just got in for this week. It's on the Clara's menu and on the Kevil's menu, so you can find them at both the restaurants. Let me quickly show you. We're going to cut into some of these tomatoes and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So why I love these tomatoes is they are extremely meaty. So look at the ratio of seed and juice towards flesh. So the flesh there is what makes a tomato really special for me. I love to eat these guys room temperature. Then they're a lot sweeter, more umami, because tomatoes contains a natural form of MSG, and they are super savory. They are delicious eaten raw as is, with a little bit of salt, great olive oil, and my personal favorite, a little bit of boko. So